Hello everyone. In my previous video, I already did the tutorial of merge cells. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a summation. I'm just using my same example as my previous video. Okay, here I'm going to teach you two different methods of summation. The first method is tap the cells that you want to state the totals. For example, I want to state my total here, so like this, equal sum open bracket and type the number of column and row that you want to calculate. And close bracket and press enter. So the total is here. The second method is tap and drag to select the range of cells you want to calculate, and then on top of here click formulas and click auto sum. So here is the total, and that's it. Thank you.